we might be, 30 minutes to an hour. And he was like, oh no, it's okay. They'll be fine. And they were. The first 10 minutes, they barked like crazy. Then every so often, they would hear my voice and get kind of loud again. So, anyway. So, Sheila says, the courses that's in the 27 mentorship, are they also in the 47? About 5 of them are, Sheila. It doesn't give you access to all of the courses, but it gives you access to your starter pack. The starter courses that you need to get your business off the ground. The starter pack alone, plus coming to mentorship, you'll be the weekly sessions, the live. When I prefer you to come live, because when you come live, stuff happens when you live, y'all. You want to be in a room where it's happening. If you cannot, you can catch the replay. The schedule is up. We try to put it out a month in advance. So we are meeting tonight. Again, tonight is about field inspections. So yeah, but you get the 5 major courses that you need, and then you also get some templates for like marketing. It gives you a lot. It's a very nice mentorship program. When I roll out anything, it's gonna be the best, right? So it took me a minute to come out with any mentorship program. I'm gonna tell y'all this, and I'm gonna get the rest of y'all comments. It took me a while to come out with any mentorship program. People were asking me for years, hey, can you be my mentor? Can you be my mentor? But I knew what that meant for most people. Can I call you at any time I want to, and you talk to me about the notary business, and you tell me what to do? Nope. Nope, and nope. Because I got my own business I'm running. I told you I just went down there and did this Apostille. It took me 2 weeks to do. So I can't run my business and run your business. But I can support you in your business as you're learning, right? I can support you in your business as you're learning, right? So you learn something, I can add to it, get you all cleaned up, so to speak, and then you be out there making your own money. That's what I do. I'm good at that. If you do your part, if I do my part, look at Lisa, okay? Lisa, a prime example. Lisa don't play, okay? Me and my sister were talking about her earlier. Lisa worked the program. Lisa's doing amazing. Lisa's taught on the program. Lisa, I got you coming up for something else. I don't know yet what, but it's coming. I got to get myself organized. I see Jasmine talking about that apostille, but I'll be over there in a minute. So that's answering your question. So just check it out, play around. The courses are actually listed there. What you get, okay? S. Thompson says, will do. Thanks. You're so welcome. Estella says, do the members of your program sign up with several signing services? Yeah, they do. Yes, they do. I'm signed up with several. Yes, we all sign up with signing services. Yes, we do. Yes, we go over that in the loan signing course. We give you a list of the ones that we highly recommend, because most people say sign up with 100. I find that you sign up with like 5 to 10, and that'll be your core that you work with. And then that plus your direct and your general notary work and doing apostilles, field inspection, doing everything. That's why I'm such a proponent of doing everything. Some people say, well, don't focus on doing this, don't focus on doing that. No, I'm going to focus on everything. Because I want the money. I can't put all my eggs in one basket. I'm not sitting around here just waiting for the perfect power of attorney signing that may come, may not come. If that doesn't come, it's cool, because I'm doing a field inspection. If I'm not doing a field inspection, I'm trying to mark it so I can get apostilles, right? Or ink fingerprinting. So I'm not just sitting here waiting on one avenue of money. I'm just not. Now, you can do that. And if I could do remote in my state, I would. So I have notaries that do field inspections, remote online notary. They do all of it, right? And I don't do wedding officiant. Now, we don't have any wedding officiants in our group yet. There is a wedding officiant course. I teach you how to do it. I just don't do wedding officiant. That's the only thing I don't do. I don't do remote, and I don't do wedding officiant, but I have courses on them because I know what to do. I can help you be successful at it, even though I don't do it, okay? So, yes, we all sign up with signing companies. Several. Yes. Let me see what this message is. Oh, Lisa, they hid your comment because you talked about the dogs. Yeah, I'll put it in. I'll let it show. They hid your comment. They thought it was something pornographic. Hold on. So I told them I'm okay as long as they don't start licking me. Girl, I wouldn't even want them running around on me, okay? S. Thompson says, LOL, all the pets. Girl, yes, I don't be playing. Ankle nibblers. Yeah, those little dogs from Ian Grip. Yeah, those little dogs. They could be the worst. When they say their bark is worse than your bite. Okay, Ian Grip says, on the website, only saw promotions for mentorship. Didn't see a tab or anything indicating sign up for emails. If you scroll down just a wee bit, It's right there in the third little row down. Just slide down just a wee bit. And it says sign up for tips. And I can't look at it, but I'm sure it's still there because it was there. It's been there. All right, S. Thompson said, yes, it's the best. Love it. Thank you. You're welcome. Lisa, much love. Yeah, tell Sissy hi. I will, girl. I know. I told her today, I said, you could get Lisa to be your witness, or you know, y'all might could work together some doing stuff. I told my sister she already got a built-in team. So, I mean, she need to get herself together, y'all. I'm gonna talk about her. I hope she ain't watching. Sometimes she go back and watch my videos, so she'll be like, I heard you talking about me. And she gonna say, I told you I was gonna do it, but I was doing something. I'm like, yeah, but you need to put a little hustle to it, you know, a little urgency. So she paying for mentorship too, y'all. When you pay attention. When you pay attention. So I could easily let her do the mentorship for free, but I'm not going to. I already told her that. I told her the same thing I just told y'all. She got to pay. Because I want her to be an expert. I really want her to join me in this business. I do. So she thinks that I don't think she's going to do it. I'll be honest. I got mixed opinions. Is Karen going to come through or is she not? Is Kay Denise going to come through or not? So that's why we haven't did our live yet, because she's still been wrapping up some things with her full-time job. So, all right. At least I'll let her know that too. But if you need her as a witness right now, though, she is a commissioned notary, which you do not have to be. But if you need her for anything, let us know. She could be a witness for you too, okay? If she's available, she would love to get the experience too. Any last minute questions? I see we got some more people that just joined us. I'm gonna get out of here because we got to get ready for this session tonight. I'm excited about it. Again, tonight we're doing field inspections. You might want to be in the room if you're thinking about it. Guys, I hate leaving when we got so many people. Come on. If you got questions, let's start wrapping up. But when you're here live, though, it lets me know that you want to. Okay, I definitely will. Please give her my number. I will. Yep, I will, Lisa. Yep, she could be a witness for you. And it's been a blessing working with Lisa, honestly, because Lisa, I give her work sometimes. Not a lot, but if I have a client I can't do or something, because I'm not a signing service. Hey, Orangey Orange, what's up? Yeah, I'm not a signing service. However, Lisa does great work. She does great work. And it's the very few people I trust with my clients. It really is. I know. I get the question all the time. You want to be a signing service? Nope. I could not even imagine sending some of these notaries out there. I could not. I'm sitting here like, what? What kind of question is that? No. And I got you going out here handling a $300,000 property from me? I wouldn't be able to sleep at night. I would not be able to sleep at night. And a lot of these signing services probably can't. Because they already know. And that's why the fees are so low. So I'm going to go there really quick. Why are the fees so low? Because they already know I got to pay 5 people to go get it handled correctly. Whereas if you just paid it right the first time, I'll go out there and do it for you. Right? Or my notary pros will go out there. The people that know how to notarize like a pro will go get it done for you. So anyway, they play this game. We're going to send it out for 20. Then we'll send out the next notary for 30. Then those 2 people mess it up. Then we'll go ahead and pay 50. Now they're at 50. Because they paid 20, 30, 50, right? And then third notary, they got to pay her 50. So now they're at $100. Why you ain't just give me $100 in the first place? Because they taking a chance. Maybe Russian roulette with their documents. Maybe the first notary for 20 will get it done correctly. And that means we profit. Wrong. Your first notary typically gonna get it messed up unless they've been trained by notary educators, notarizing like a pro, or self-taught or whatever. Some people, everybody ain't go through notary educators. But so yeah. So then they say, well, we'll take a chance. She might get it right. So she go out there and get it done for 20. Yes, we're rich. But she go out there and mess it up. Now you gotta call a second notary. I can't tell you how many times I've been a third notary. I can't tell you how many times I've been a third notary. How many of you guys have ever been the second or the third notary that they sent out to do something because the first 1 or 2 messed it up? The signing company could have just gave me that $100 right off the bat. But it's a loan mod, so they figure we'll take a chance. I don't want to pay her $100 for a loan modification. No, not that. You're going to pay it anyway. Lisa said she'd have been the third notary. It happens all day long. Literally, guys, we can't make this stuff up. All day long. Because it happens just the way I just told you. Most notaries don't know what they're doing. It's no fault of your own. Your state gives you this commission. They're like, go. You watch a couple YouTube videos. You're rah-rah. I'm ready to go get this money. But you don't have any training. You don't know what to do. You don't know how to properly notarize. You don't know how to properly execute a document. You don't even know what execute means. It's not killing somebody. I mean, get the paper signed. Okay, you don't know what an acknowledgement is, what a jurat is. You can't even say the word. That's okay. All right. But I'm just saying, before you start doing all that, you go down the wrong hole. Let us help you at Notary Educators. Get into one of the mentorship programs. Either one. 27 just to get started. 47 you want to go all in. And let's help you to make this money and to be a great notary. To notarize like a pro. Like notarize like a what? Like a what? Like a what? Like a pro. Okay? We are notarizing like a pro. Like for real. So guys, I'm going to get out of here. Lisa, I will see you tonight. Everybody, thank you for joining. Always a pleasure. I love chit-chatting with y'all because I always got something to talk about. Like a pro. Right. Okay. So we will be in touch. And that's it. That's all I got. Okay. I will see y'all tonight in mentorship. If you are coming, or I'll see you over in chat. I got to go handle what's going on over there in chat because I know we got a situation. Okay. Bye, guys. Much success. NotaryEducators.com.